Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag Free Internship and Courses program. In this video, we are going to learn Google is providing the free digital marketing apprenticeship 2027. You can apply now, and last date for this one is August 3rd, 2026. So we'll go through the step-by-step process. So here, Google has announced the Digital Business Marketing Apprenticeship 2027 in India. In this video, we'll learn eligibility criteria, who can apply, required qualification, application process, location is there, Hyderabad, Bengaluru, Gurugram, and Mumbai. Duration is that 24 months, and important dates, selection process, career opportunities after the apprenticeship, and AI digital marketing learning at the Google. So this apprenticeship is an excellent opportunity for the fresh graduate who can wants to start their career with the Google in digital marketing. So there is a apply link is there. So let me open the apply link. When we will open this link, you will get this page, and here you can see there is a digital business marketing apprenticeship, and March 2027 is started now. And there is a intern and apprenticeship, and location is Hyderabad and Bengaluru, Karnataka, and more. So you can go through the step-by-step process. So additional information instruction is that so apprenticeship is not a full-time permanent opportunity. The program, this is a 24-month in duration. In this program, open those who are interested in the digital marketing career, recent graduate, and individual who can work the experience in other industry may apply. And apprentice is not eligible apply to any other full-time role at the Google and last 3 months of their apprenticeship program tenure. Okay, so once on board, transfer of location is not permitted for the apprenticeship. This role is not eligible for the immigration sponsorship. Application must include a resume or their application clearly calling their year of graduation, and whole process will span across 18 to 24 weeks. Kindly be patient during the same. And this is the very important for you. This posting will be until the August 3rd, 2026. So all the step by step process is there. Next, we'll go for the minimum qualification. So there is a minimum qualification is there, bachelor degree in any discipline, less than 1 year of experience in digital business marketing in the role post graduation, experience using Google Workspace, Gmail, Chrome, Docs, Sheets, etc., or similar application, and apply to the communicate in English fluently to the understand and execute instruction and learn via the training documentation and presentation. And preferred qualification is there, experience with the spreadsheet software or similar software, previous work experience in any industry, sales, business development, digital advertising agency, and customer service. Ability to think this one critically assess in situation, suggestion, relevant solution. Excellent problem solving and analytical skills, good time to management skill, interest in the building a career in digital marketing. Now we are coming to the about the job. So this is the Google Digital Business Marketing Apprenticeship is a program at least 24 months offering the learning and development to individual looking for the start a career in digital marketing. This is a very important if you are interested in the digital marketing and digital business marketing, then you can go through this course and step by step process. All the process are given. And what do we learn there? Marketing a digital platform apps, customer and digital platform and apps, analyzing the identify the target user, understanding live with the lead, optimizing digital ad account, troubleshooting ad technology, generative AI in the digital marketing and work, ad product certification. So government mandates for the applicants. So candidates must possess the active mobile number linked with the Aadhaar and the active personal email ID. This is the mandatory requirement for the registration, e-KYC and verification process. So you should have the mobile number. That mobile number should be linked with the Aadhaar number, and other details are there. So additional application guidelines is also there. So all the responsibilities. So go with all the details, step by step details for applying this apprenticeship, and develop your knowledge on the digital ad platform, online campaigns, and the troubleshooting of the ad accounts. Partner with the teams to drive product and partnership solution. Learn and analyze data-driven insight and identify opportunities for the client and agencies. So develop knowledge in the existing imaging, advertising products and how user and clients may interact with them. So next is the develop this one knowledge in the applying AI based solution for the digital advertising to the enhanced productivity. So this is a step by step process. All the details about the job, this one internship and apprenticeship program, and there is a URL is google.com, and I will provide you the link with the description here, or apply link is there, and officially Google career portal is this one. You can go through this and like, share and subscribe, and source is the Google career job posting portal. So there is a apply button is there. Next you click on the apply button. So here you have to apply with this. You have to create your profile, and step by step you have to go and you have to apply on this. Let me open in another browser and I'll show you the page. So create your profile. So get started, career profile and role information and self identification and review and apply. So this is the step by step process. Here you have to give the name, middle name, last name, suffix, and the email address already there, country code and mobile number. You have to provide your resume and just select all and allow the term and condition privacy policy. Just check this and submit and continue. So all the step by step process you have to go. So we have completed this one. So disclaimer is there, this video is created for the educational and informational purpose only under the fair use section 107 copyright act 1976, and all trademarks and logos belongs to their respective owners. For any copyright concern, you can send me mail on the chiragmahto@gmail.com. You can follow me on YouTube, LinkedIn, WhatsApp channel and Telegram channel for the latest update. Follow the process exactly shown in the video. Drop your question on the comment box, and like, share and comment and subscribe to Chirag Mahto official. Hope this will help. Thank you for watching.